Alright, question number 11. Diagram 7 shows triangle ABC. It is given that BC is 2 plus x. So here is 2 plus x. Okay, that's BC. And then AD is, okay, they gave you AD square, not AD. So 1 plus square root 2. That is AD. So AD is the entire thing here. And then they ask you to show that x is equals to, okay, this one. So now the question is, how do you solve? How do you prove? So what you notice is that there is a right angle here, correct? There's a right angle there. So you can actually use the three values here. You already have, here you already have, here you can find, correct? How do you find this? You take the entire thing minus the AB there, okay? So you can do that. But if you notice, if you do that, it will be quite complicated. Reason is because, you see, if you want to find BD, if you want to find BD, you have to take the entire thing here minus the square root x there, right? So the entire thing is what? This, correct? So AD will become square root 1 minus square root 2. And then if you want to find BD is here. You want to find BD, you have to take square root 1 minus square root 2 minus square root x. If you notice, it becomes quite complicated already. Okay, and then on top of that, you're going to do the Pythagoras theorem here. So it's going to be quite complicated. So what I would do is, instead of using AD, okay, wait, let me rewrite here, 2 plus x, and then AD is 1 plus square root 2. So instead of finding BD, right, using this, what I'm going to do is, I'm going to use the Pythagoras theorem here, okay, with these two values to find the BD, okay, and then when I combine BD and AB here, I square it and then I compare with this, okay, so that it becomes much easier. Okay, I hope you all understand what I'm saying. If you don't understand, just see what I'm doing here, okay. So now, first step we want to find is BD. Okay. BD would be 2 plus x square minus 2 minus x square, and then you square root the whole thing. And then, okay, so what we're going to get is 4 plus 4x plus x square minus 4 plus 4x minus x square. Okay, so if you notice, you can actually cut them. So here 4 and negative 4 becomes 0. Here x square become minus x square becomes 0. So only thing you have left is 8x. So you have 8x, square root 8x. Okay, so that is BD. So now you want to find AB. Okay, so what is AB? AB is the entire thing lah. So you take this, which is what they gave here, square root x, plus what you have found, square root 8x. So now, since this one is it's not like terms, right? So you cannot actually combine them. So we're just going to leave it like that. You don't have to write you don't have to simplify this because you can't really do much. Now, you already have AB. So it is given that AD, why did I write here AB? It should be AD. My bad. Here should be AD, yeah. Okay, so you already found AD. So AD square, which is what they gave, is equals to 1 plus square root 2, right? That's what they gave here. And since you already found AD, you can form your own AD. So which is square root, okay, you square this, because this is what you found, right? And then you square it, it equals to 1 plus square root 2. Okay, so let's do this. So you get x plus 2 square root 8x plus 8x square plus 8x equals to 1 plus square root 2. Yeah, okay, and then here this one you can combine, you get 9x plus, so this one you can actually make it into a simpler form. For those who don't know, this is how you do it. 8x square. So if you notice, the 8 here is actually what? 4 times 2, right? Correct. So the 4 you can actually square root. So you square root, it becomes 2, right? So the 2 will come out. So the existing 2 here will times this 2. You get 4 lah. So outside here becomes 4. The x square you square root becomes x. So what is left in the square root is only 2. So this is your I'm writing like this because I want to factorize the x. Because the question is asking me to prove x, right? To prove x. So I need to find a way to isolate the x. So in this case, what we can do is we can factorize the x. So 9 plus 4 square root 2 goes to 1 plus square root 2. Okay, so you shift the other side, you get 9 plus 4 square root 2. Okay, so now what they asked to prove? They asked to get, okay, the one that they want is x equals to 1 plus 5 square root 2 over 49. So what we have to do is we have to multiply the conjugate. Okay, we have to multiply the conjugate. So that means here you have to multiply 9 minus, okay, minus, then you do the same thing here. So what you will get is, so on top here you get 9 and then minus 4 sub 2 plus 9 sub 2 minus 4 and then sub 2 times sub 2 you get 2 lah. So you get 8 here over, so here you get 81 minus, so 4 sub 2 times 4 sub 2 you get 4, 8, yeah, correct, 8. Correct, let me see, sorry, not 8. 4 times 4 is 16, 16 times 2 is 32. Okay, so 9 and 8 you minus, you get 1, and then negative 4 plus 9 you get positive 5, and then 81 minus 32 you get 49. Yeah, so that's shown lah, same. Okay, so that's how you solve it.